welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial we'll be making a 3D butterfly. Now these butterflies can be used as an accessory to your dresses or to a baby bootie or as a clip for your hair. You can choose to apply rhinestones just like what I did here, or you can just let it stay the way it is without any rhinestones. Okay, all right, let's go into the tutorial. To begin, make a ring. You can choose to make a ring whatever way it suits you, but I make my ring this way. Now make 3 chains. So you're making 2 chains in addition to the first chain you use to hold your ring. Now make a double crochet into the ring. Chain 2, make another 2 double crochet into the same ring. So you have 2 sets of double crochet. Now chain 2 again and make another 2 double crochet into the same ring. Chain 2, make 2 double crochet in the same ring. So you will repeat this process all the way till the end. So at the end, you make 2 double crochet into the same ring. At the end, you should have 16 double crochet in all. So 2 sets of 8 to make 16 double crochet. To end your work, chain 2, count the very 3 chains you made. Into the 3rd chain, make a slip knot. Now first row is complete. To seal the ring, pull the strand at the back and your hole is sealed. Now you should have 8 holes and 16 double crochet. You can part to use it to open up the hole so you can see better. To end this color, make a chain and cut off the end. Now our first color is complete. Now insert your hook in the middle of the first 2 double crochet. Pull your next color through and make a chain. Now you're using a new color. Now into the next hole, make 6 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can go over and count it again. Now into the middle of the next 2 double crochet, make a slip knot. Into the next hole, make another 6 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can go over it to be sure. Now into the next 2 double crochet, insert your hook in the middle and make a slip knot. Now this is what it looks like. So you repeat the same process all the way around. Into the next hole, you make 6 double crochet, In between the next 2 stitches, you make a slip knot. Repeat again, 6 double crochet, slip knot, 6 double crochet, slip knot, 6 double crochet, slip knot, and I'll see you at the end. Welcome back. So we are at the end of the row. Now into the last hole, you make another 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To end, insert your hook into the middle of the next 2 stitches, make a slip knot. Before you continue, you can take a step back to count your petals. You should have 8 petals or 8 sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are good to go. To continue, make 8 chains. Watch closely how to bend your petal to make the butterfly. You can stop, rewind to watch again. If you missed any step, you can always pause this video and go back again. Now roll the chains around the butterfly. Easy peasy. Now we'll go back over it again. Now take your chain and roll it around the butterfly. Just gives it a lovely pop of color. Now insert your hook under the very first chain you made and make a slip knot to end the work. Now chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Pull your yarn and tighten the knot. You can take this time out to arrange your 3D butterfly. For the last 2 strands, you can make a knot just to secure it, and then you cut off the excess. We are almost done. Our 3D butterfly is already taking shape. Now notice all the sides. We have 4 sides or 4 petals on each side of the butterfly. Those represent the wings. Now cut off a piece of yarn. You can do 3 to 4 inches long. Just whatever size you think is suitable for your butterfly. Now pick up your butterfly, insert your hook through the chain right there. Now gently pull through your yarn, your piece of yarn. Now at the tip of the yarn, of the 2 strands you just pull through, make a knot on both ends. This technique ensures the piece of yarn does not pull through the butterfly, and it also stands as the eye of the butterfly. Interesting, right? Okay, what you're gonna do now is cut off the excess ends to make your work nice and neat. Now our 3D butterfly is set. It's so pretty. Take a closer look. Ensure your work is neat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up at the end of this video, and share to friends.